Whoa, so amazing. Hi guys, so today I will be teaching you how to make this yellow slime with only 2 ingredients. And it is really so easy. You guys should have glue at home. If you don't, sorry, but you should maybe go look at another video. But if you do have glue, you might as well, so there's glue in it and there's a home ingredient. I would suspect you would have it because it has, like, when your house is dirty or something, you use it. So let's get started, and if you want to see how to make this, you should keep on watching. Peace, guys. The ingredients that you'll need will be glue, sorry guys, I said it like I just said sorry that this was dirty. And then we have our Air Wick. So you'll be using Air Wick. And you only can use Air Wick because none of the ingredients work. And I got this from pickle jar, or it has pickle in it, something like that. And then you'll mix this up. Get something to mix in, something to mix with. And here's your color yellow. You can use, if you want to do the same thing that I'm doing, then you use yellow. If you don't want to make it colorful, then use nothing. Okay, see you guys in a second. First, you're going to get this. Get this too. Get your glue. Then open it. Then put it out. So once it's not coming out, I'm going to make a little bit. No more glue. Yeah. Oh my gosh, we're running out of glue. I didn't even know that. Then you will get your food coloring. So get your food coloring, and I'm actually gonna turn it a different color. I want it to be dark blue. So I'm gonna get dark blue. It's new, I haven't used it yet. And then go like that. And it's going to make dark blue slime. So I think I'll do it one more because I want it to make like a dark blue. And you're gonna mix it and nice and pretty and blue. Then you're gonna add your freshener, and you can add oopsies, that was a little bit. And then you mix it up. It will start getting slimy, but then it will turn back wet and silky. You just keep on. I would suspect you. It's like I forgot the name. It's like yeah. I remember it. It's Pickle Time. So I'm giving a shout out to Pickle Time. I watch all her videos, makes the same slime that she's make. So hopefully if you see me, then yeah. And make sure you guys go look out on her page. So then you're just gonna keep on adding this air freshener, and it's gonna keep on turning slimy. And then if it's still like that, keep on mixing up, and then just add more freshener. And I would just repeat that over and over again until it turns where once you touch it, it doesn't do that. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, once it starts getting to where it starts mixing up and getting off of the thing, then that means you should start if you touch it and it's still there, start putting a tiny bit more of Air Wick, and it will start to make your slime that you want. And soon as it starts sticking off, so my thing is sticking off, you guys won't see. If it starts going like that, make sure you keep on adding a little bit now. You can use any brand of Air Wick. You just can't use anything different. So here's my slime. Hopefully you guys like it from right now how it is. So now I'm going to start touching it and putting it on my thing, and you just poke it and play with it. Make sure you put some Febreze on it again because it's not going to be all the way done, and then you just mixed it up with your hand. Oh my gosh, no. It's okay. Okay, after that process is done, just keep on mixing it, and I'll see you guys when it turns into slime. So hi guys, we're back, and here's our slime. It is non-sticky, but it can stick to your clothes fast. So please have it on something where it does not stick. So peace guys, love you. Make sure you comment and subscribe. Tell me what you want me to do next. Once you subscribe, you'll become a member of my family tree. I meant to say, once you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll become a member of my family tree. I don't know when you guys hit the notification bell, so please do. I can't see my subscribers. I don't know if you can or not, but look at, I got married. I'm just kidding. I did not get married. I just bought it. And then this is what, after you're done playing with it for a long time, it will get like this. This is a more like weird thing. So, bye guys.